My name is Jessie and I'm a member of FRC Team 1148. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the drill press. This is an example of a piece of plywood that we would like to drill a hole into. The drill press can be used on plywood, polycarb, and aluminum metal. You want to start by taking the piece you're using and placing it down flat. Then, take a clamp or two and secure the piece to the drill press. There is a handle at the back of the drill press to raise or lower the drill press table. Once you turn the handle, you can lift the table up and down. Make sure you turn the handle back tightly to secure the drill press table again. You want to make sure the spot you're trying to drill is aligned with the hole in the wood block on the drill press table. To do this, there is a laser button above the on switch. After pressing the button, you will see a red X on your piece. Align your desired drilling spot with the middle of the X. There's also a light button, in case you can't see your piece very well. Insert the drill bit that you've chosen and turn the drill bit holder until the bit is secure. There is a handle towards the back that controls the speed of the drill. The speed is displayed above the on button. However, you usually don't want to change the speed, unless the drill is going extremely slowly or quickly. You also shouldn't change the speed while the drill press is off. Make sure you have the yellow key inserted into the machine. Otherwise, it won't start due to safety reasons. Finally, turn on the drill press by pulling the switch. Rotate the handle towards you to lower the drill bit and drill through your piece. Some tips are to maintain a steady turning speed, don't drill too quickly, and be mindful of not slamming the drill bit into your material. After using the drill press, it should make a nice hole in the piece. An example for why you would use the drill press is if you need to fasten screws for joints. Just note that if you're trying to drill a hole in a piece that's already on the robot, we'd want to use a handheld drill, because the drill press can't be used directly on the robot. A couple of safety tips for using the drill press are to make sure you are not wearing any loose-fitting clothing, to tie up any long hair, wear goggles, and to use ear protection if necessary. Also, when working with metals like aluminum, be sure to wear a mask, as the drill press will release particles into the air. In conclusion, the drill press is used to create holes in metal, wood, or polycarb. Thanks for watching.